So for the first time before manufacturing, how did you start on identifying the product or designing the product?
Yeah, it is interesting to know about this. Previously, there were no such technologies available to design the products, but with the time, now technologies have been upgraded. We can see most of the things on the computer itself. First, what our customers need, that we identify. Then we do some value addition on that. What else we can do for the customer? What are his requirements? पहले होता था कि गर्म और ठंडे पानी के मिक्सर बनने हैं, 2 knobs लगती हैं. Now, most of the mixers, it is a single lever product. Now we are giving more value additions in that single lever also. How it can perform better than that. तो सबसे पहले तो यही है कि requirements identify करते हैं. We may get requirement from the market, maybe from inside marketing team or in-house R&D team. They think of those things. और उसके बाद उसकी we have softwares use 2D, 3D dimensions to make a design. एक बार कंप्यूटर पे काफ़ी कुछ आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाती है कि क्या प्रोडक्ट बनने वाला है. आफ्टर दैट वी गो फॉर 3D प्रिंटिंग. अर्लियर इट वाज ए लॉन्ग प्रोसेस कि आप पहले लक्कड़ के पैटर्न बना रहे हो, देन उसकी शेप सही नहीं आई, ठीक करना उसको बाद. नाउ यू कैन डू इट ईजिली ऑन द कंप्यूटर्स. दैट वाज ए लेंथी प्रोसेस. तो अभी आप कंप्यूटर पे डिज़ाइनिंग कर लेते हो प्रोडक्ट की, उसके बाद देन वी कैन सी द एक्चुअल शेप विद द 3D प्रिंटिंग. What we have been doing in months, now it is in hours we can do that. 3D printing के बाद then we can test those products also online.
Okay.
के test perform करने हैं. We can have reviews from our marketing team, other major distributors, dealers, कि how it looks like. So then we go for the die making, mold making.
Okay.
That process is also now very fast.
Very fast.
As I told you, we have 5 axis vertical machining centers, 3D vertical machining centers, and in one go we can go for machining, making of a die. Earlier it was a very lengthy process and not so accurate, but now we can go in from accuracy point of view. In microns we can get that accuracy. So first that molds are prepared, then we go for a pilot lot testing. We have a total process in writing, so it will go through different departments before the product goes to the market.
Okay.
Every department will give their comments, they will criticize the products, and then whatever the changes are required, those are done in between. And ultimately testing takes a lot of time.
Okay.
We have to do so many tests on the new products. So it can be the pressure, there should not be any leakage, then now the surface coatings are good. So now the new surface coatings are coming up, we are going to explore those also. And again then big challenge is the raw material cost.
Okay.
It is increasing every time. So we have to find out that how we can be competitive. We may need changes in the process also, manufacturing process. Previously we have been using oil-fired furnaces. Then now we have shifted to induction furnaces. So those processes. Then we have now more SPMs, special purpose machines, to get more production and to get the cost also to keep that low. So काफ़ी कुछ है जी जो टोटल प्रोसेस में देखना पड़ता है इसमें.
Okay.
और अल्टीमेटली जब मार्केट को जाना है फिर वो सब कुछ देख के क्वालिटी टेस्ट पास कर रहा है, सभी कमेंट्स जो हैं ओके हैं, देन वी गिव इट टू द मार्केट.
Was there any particular product which took a very long time in the initial designing stage to the launching in the market? Was there any product that you recall?
There are some products. Say when we do some changes, even in the running products, na, we want to make some changes to make it more economical or something like that. उसमें एक मटेरियल टेस्ट किया, वो फेल हो गया, तो आपने उस पर 1-1.5 महीना लगा के सारी प्रोसेस की, then ultimately it fails, we can't give it to the market, then again you have to go through all that process. तो आ जाते हैं कभी कभी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं, कई बार बहुत देखने में लग रहे हैं कि छोटे प्रोडक्ट हैं उसकी, लेकिन व्हेन वी सी फ्रॉम कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि चाहे वो प्रोडक्ट 200 रुपये का है, 300 रुपये का है या 30,000 का है, वी हैव सेम इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर दैट. अगर आप एक प्रोडक्ट 30,000 का बेच रहे हो और उसने कस्टमर ने आपका 300 वाला प्रोडक्ट भी लिया है, तो 30,000 वाला प्रोडक्ट तो परफॉर्मेंस ठीक दे रहा है, पर 300 वाले में प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो ही विल से नो, द टोटल प्रोडक्ट इज बैड. सो वी टेक केयर ऑफ दोज थिंग कि ये 300 वाला भी प्रोडक्ट जो है, क्योंकि उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी कम है, छोटा प्रोडक्ट है कोई, इट शुड बी एज गुड एज द बिगर वंस.